Melt and pour soap base. I have taken 200 grams. Soap color. Fragrance oil. Microwave safe container with spatula. Isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. Mold and weighing scale. First, cut the soap base into smaller cubes using a cutter or any knife. Melt this in a microwave or in a double boiler. Now our soap base is melted. Add little bit of color to get the desired shade. And add 4 grams of fragrance oil. I am adding 2% weight by weight. Mix properly. Spray the mold with isopropyl alcohol. This helps in easy spreadability. Now carefully pour the soap in the mold. Pop these bubbles with alcohol. Let it sit for 2 to 4 hours.